Hello, Assalamualaikum. Hi, Yasik student. How are you? Chino, Fakir, Daniel, Harry, Georgia, and Alif. So, I hope you understand with the previous lesson and do your notes and as well as your homework. Okay, your exercise. Okay, please make sure you copy the notes and do the exercise. Okay, don't worry if you doesn't have your exercise book. Just take a piece of paper, copy the notes, do the exercises. Okay, make sure you keep it, don't throw it later at school, you just paste it. Understand? Okay, so for this week we need to continue our lesson, okay, which is still in the same topic electricity, okay, but and the same subtopic electromagnet. Okay, so today I just continue to the comparison between permanent magnet and electromagnet. Okay, so before we start, I want to discuss your last exercises. Okay, so your previous exercise is quick check page 54. Okay, the question asks you which electromagnet is stronger. Explain your answer. Electromagnet A have 20 turns of wire and electromagnet B still have 20 turns of wire but have 2 battery. So which one is stronger? So the answer is electromagnet B is stronger. For the same number of turns of wire, more current flow through the circuit for electromagnet B. Why? Because they have 2 battery. Understand? Still remember the factor increasing the electromagnet is the number of battery and then presence of magnetic material and the number of turn of wire in the coil of wire. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, before this I already explained to you about the permanent magnet, is it? Okay, and then what is electromagnet? Okay, electromagnet is the temporary magnet which present the magnetic characteristic when have the electric current, right? Okay, so for today, okay, for this week, so you need to copy this thing. Okay, so you can pause my video, okay, and then make a table like this and copy. Alright, so what is the comparison between permanent magnet and electromagnet? First one, permanent magnet, they are permanently magnetized. Okay, electromagnet, these are temporary magnetized. So you understand the meanings, right? So permanent magnet means that they have the magnetic characteristic. Okay, it can attract and repel. Okay, permanently. This one is temporary, only when the presence of current. Understand? If no current, so it cannot be magnet. Okay, not magnetized. Okay, number 2, they are usually made of hard material. Okay, this is a bar magnet that I show you. Alright, electromagnet, they usually made of soft material. Okay, for example like iron, like that. Okay, and then the strength of the magnetic field line is constant. So in example, it cannot be varied, right? Okay, so the strength of magnetic field line for the bar magnet, okay, I show you the picture, right? So the bar magnet, the magnetic field line will stronger at the poles only, at the north or south, right? But electromagnet, the strength of electromagnet field can be varied according to our need. Right? For example, if you want to have a stronger electromagnet, so you put more battery, like that. Understand? Okay. After that, the poles of permanent magnet cannot be changed. Yeah. Okay. For example, if you have north, this side is north. For example, this side is north. Okay. So this side must be south. Okay. It cannot be changing, right? But at the electromagnet, the poles of an electromagnet can be altered, right? So example of permanent magnet is a bar magnet. Okay, so permanent magnet must be a bar magnet. So actually we have 2 type of bar magnet. Okay, for example like the rectangle one that I showed before. For example like this. Wait, like this. Okay, this is a permanent magnet, or U-shaped magnet, like this U-shaped magnet. Okay. Okay, so example of the temporary magnet here, okay, is solenoid wound across a nail and connected to a battery. So this is the electromagnet like this lah. Okay, you can make the electromagnet like this. Okay, so for today lesson, you just need to copy this table and do the exercise. Okay, so yeah, very simple exercise. Copy the question. Okay, and please draw lah. Please draw the simple one. Okay, so the photo below shows an electromagnet. So what is an electromagnet? Okay, what is an electromagnet? Okay, try to guess. Okay, and then B, try to answer. Okay, B, what are the factors that affect the strength of an electromagnet? Okay, we have three factors that affect the strength electromagnet. Okay, try to do first. Okay, and I will reveal the answer. Okay, so the answer is, what is an electromagnet? It is magnet made using electricity, or another answer is the temporary magnet with the presence of electric current, also can. Okay, B, what are the factors that affect the strength of electromagnet? Number of turns of wire, presence of magnetic material inside the coil or length of the core, right? And the number of battery used. Okay, understand? So that's all for today. So we continue later. Bye bye.